G'day and welcome to this week's video. This week I've been doing a fair bit of reading on Alphabet, which is the business that owns the Google brands. So you'd be very familiar with Google Search, which has over 80% of the coverage of search on PCs, and I think well into the 90s on tablets and mobile devices. So a lot of the searches are done around the world. The large majority are done via Google, and as more searches are done there, the knowledge that Google pick up on that make the searches more relevant and higher quality. So the more that's done there, the better it gets, and probably the further their competitors lag behind. But there's so many other elements to Alphabet and what Google has done over many years. They've got their Moonshot program where they've invested heavily. They are spending absolute billions of dollars into development of things that will be change people's lives. One of those obviously is artificial intelligence. They've been working on the Waymo driverless cars, and I'll probably report separately on that. That is very interesting, and it's not that far away. Of course, we've got internet search, which is the core revenue driver for the business, map, cloud applications for businesses and personal use. But the one I was keen to show you today was a simple and well, not simple, but it's a great illustration of artificial intelligence and the ability for these computers and software programs to be intelligent and to be able to recognize images and sounds, and that is Google Translate. And my son showed me this in recent times. So I've got my iPhone. So I open up Google Translate, and I've gone to the option where I'm not going to speak to the phone or type something in and translate it to a different language. I've actually got using the camera. So it's an instance where you'd be overseas, you're reading a menu or something, and it's clearly in a different language or a sign. And the example I've got here is which is clearly, hope you can see that, is a sign. It is in Japanese. I'm still here, and all you do, and I've got to get this around the right way, won't be a sec, so I'll just get that there so I can see what I'm doing. So you can see a stop sign in Japanese, and you hold over your phone over the sign, and it is recognizing. You can see it does change a little bit, but it's recognizing the images via through the phone, and Bean's coming up quite a lot for some strange reason, but there it is. It depends on which way I hold it. So I was when Lewis showed me that, I was absolutely quite astounded that obviously on such a small device, the artificial intelligence is able to recognize obviously those words in Japanese and convert it within the sign on my phone to show exactly what it means. And obviously that was a free download onto the phone. There's also, you download the data package, which means you don't rely on internet or Wi-Fi to be able to use this when you're traveling in different countries. And this is a free app that Google, that I just downloaded for free on my phone. So extremely powerful, but it's giving us an idea on how strong and clever these algorithms, the computer software is becoming, and and shows that Google itself is building applications and services and often giving them away for free to further, the bigger picture is a lot of it's around advertising, and as they've done with maps in the past, it's just very impressive, and will further build on this amazing brand, which it's one of the biggest businesses in the world now, and it is still growing its revenue at plus 20% each year. So these are phenomenal growth rates for a business that's probably not far off $800 billion. So just a bit of interesting tech stuff and some of the developments that is happening. We'll be keen to come back and explain a bit more about Waymo, their driverless cars, and where they're up to and how their progress is going, which is extremely impressive. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome, and we'll catch you next week.